This time on our walk through SOL, we are checking out category pages. A nice and simple one, the category pages allow you to navigate through the products listed on SOL via the categories they have been listed under. While SOL does have a search feature that you may find faster, sometimes using the categories might help you to find search terms to help you find a product, find something else that is similar for you, or looking at a range of products that for some reason isn't showing up in search, such as all of the non-latex gloves we have on offer. While simple, this will help you become a power user of SOL.